joined the party. I thought you'd been carried off.
Well, who, me? No, come on. I'm way too muscular for their taste. One day I'll get out there. Because killing a dragon is everything around here. Come on. Give me something to shoot at. Give me something to shoot at. I see a dragon and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them.
Oh, wow. I did it. Oh, I did it. This fixes everything. I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on, yes you do.
Rephrase, Dad, I can't kill dragons.
Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
So why didn't you? Why don't you just fly away?
If it can't fly, it can't get away. A downed dragon is a dead dragon.
Okay. It's not too bad. It works. Whoa! Everything we know about you guys is wrong. Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him.
Killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them.
You throwing your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.